Dear students, welcome to free ICT tutorials. Happy to meet you again in this tutorial, grade 7 ICT Unit 1, Part 2, Evolution of CPU, Central Processing Unit. That's generation of CPU. The central processing unit of a computer system can be divided into 4 generations. There are first generation, second generation, third generation, and fourth generation. First generation of CPU. The period of first generation was from 1940 to 1956. Here, used vacuum tubes as an electronic technology. First generation computers are very large as a room size. Execution speed also measured in milliseconds. They are very expensive, high cost for production and maintenance. Example of first generation: ENIAC, UNIVAC and EDVAC. Second generation of CPU. The period of second generation was from 1956 to 1963. In this generation, transistor used as electronic technology device. Second generation computers are smaller than first generation computers. Execution speed measured in microsecond. Cost also less than first generation computers. Example: IBM, CDC, UNIVAC. Third generation of CPU. This generation computers used integrated circuits, IC. These were less power consumption when compared with the second generation computers. Less cost for purchasing and smaller size when compared with second generation computers. Fourth generation, here used microprocessor. Smaller size, less power consumption when compared with the third generation. Execution speed, million of instruction per second and picosecond. Cost and size also lower than third generation. For example, modern computers. CPU is a brain of the computer. CPU is a very important part in a system unit, that's brain of the computer. Right. Do you know about speed of CPU? Speed of computer system and clock speed both are same. Number of instructions executed in a second. The unit used to measure the speed of the CPU is Hertz, Hz. In modern computers, the unit megahertz and gigahertz. Megahertz MHz, gigahertz GHz. Meet you again in Unit 2 tutorial. If you want my ICT videos continuously, you want to subscribe this YouTube channel and click the bell button also. You can get that videos immediately. Thanks for watching.